friends, and welcome back to our channel, Munchkin World. Today we're going to do a really cool Valentine's Day activity. We have some crayons, and guess what we're going to do with them? We're going to melt them down and make these cool shaped hearts. And we're going to see if they actually will still work as a crayon and will write and color things. So what we're going to do is take all of our crayons, we're going to take off the wrapping, we're going to break them apart, and we're going to put them in this mold. Then we're going to put them into the oven for about half an hour or so at about 300 degrees, and we'll see if that melts them. And as soon as they do, we'll take them out, let them cool, and see what happens. All right, you guys ready? Let's go see what happens. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay, let's see. How do you get it out? That's a good question. All right, so they are out and dry now. It took a little over an hour. They're still a little bit warm, but dry. So we're gonna check it out, take them out, and see how they paint. Try to take them out. And just push from the bottom up. Yep.
It's getting out.
Ooh. Let's get them all out.
Ooh, behind it looks beautiful.
Yeah? Get the rest of them out.
Gorgeous.
It does look gorgeous.
Yo, I need help with this one. I need help with all of them.
Ooh, this one's pretty
this
too.
This one's really good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get the rest of them out. Here, help me.
Whoa!
And this one?
Oh. Ooh, nice.
Look how pretty.
I like this one.
Yeah?
This one's the beautiful.
This one's really cool. Let's see if they draw. Try them. Do they? Ooh, yeah, if you turn them over, they draw. That's pretty cool. So they don't draw on the top side, but underneath they do. Look.
When you look at this one. Ooh, that one's a nice one. Ooh, nice.
That is so cool. Look at them. They almost look like soap.
Yeah, we can make them soap. We can make them soapy.
So this is our Valentine's Day activity. What do you guys think? Is this pretty cool?
Yeah.
Try it out at home and let us know what you think. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You